So this story starts with this drone flight. Now that owl box, barn owl box, was leaning when we weren't here for a year, and when we came back I hadn't seen it, and then when I was flying the drone I saw that it actually properly toppled. We're going to get it back up, and probably in a tree. So I'm going to text my boss and my mentor and ask him if it's too late to get a barn owl box up. So I've just texted Sam. I'm going to wait to hear, but while we're waiting, me and Looney are going to go and check it out anyway. What do you reckon, Bean? You want to go for a walk? Come here. Do you want to go for a walk? Come here first. You want to go for walkies? Check out our boxes. You won't get muddy though. And you know what that means, don't you? That means when we get back you're going to have a bath. Are you alright with that? Are you going to consider it worth the pain? Come on then. Right guys, see you out there. This is going to get a bit muddy. Come on, touch it. I'll be joking, that is. Please guys, don't get balloons for Christmases and birthdays and stuff, especially helium ones, because that's where they end up. So here she is. Yeah, structurally it's alright. Oh, look at that. You see that? It's a pretty good neck, other than that. Play the balloon. A wonderful lichen on there. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's pretty solid. I'm just thinking, would we be able to screw through that into a tree? And I think the answer is yes. There's loads of bits of bones and things. And you can see them. Oh, there's a maggot there. It's a little skull or something. It's like a mouse. See his teeth? Oh, fascinating. So yeah, just checking in with Sam now. I mean, what do you do? Do you clean it out? Do you disinfect it? Or do you leave all that shit in there? Tricky. I don't know. I've never rescued a barn owl box before, so just waiting to hear. Gotta try and get through the. Oh shit! I didn't get that balloon, no. Yeah, we'll move the balloon so nothing swallows it or gets tangled in it. One less balloon! Yay! So the good news is we've got permission from the landowner to put it back up in an oak tree. I've spoken to my buddy and hopefully he's going to come and help me get it up in a tree, because I have to be a minimum of like 3.5 meters. So that isn't too high. I think we can do that on our own. But yeah, exciting times. So I'm gonna go, I've got a couple of chores to do on the mooring, and then I'm gonna get over with the wheelbarrow, get the box emptied and cleaned, and then all we got to do really, technically, is pick a tree and get it up there. Sounds really easy, doesn't it? You want to go outside now? Do you want to be outside all day and get wet and cold? Come on. Hey, is that what you want? Hey, is that what you want, little girl? Now you know that means you're going to have a wash before you come back in. You alright with that? Alright. We've got coffee, got phone, got camera. Let's go. Why are you blaming me, Dad? So, don't know if you can see that. So the top layer is scuzz and that's barn owl, but all this is rooks. And great kindling that. No idea what that is. It's a pellet. See the bones? What a strange colour. Oh, so I'll take that one back and do some investigation. That's what we found the other day. An old egg. Still got things inside it. Oh, that was a stinky job. Let's try not to inhale all the dust. It's been there for a while. Anyway, are you done? Yeah, so it doesn't have to be totally clean because some of the smell is going to help, hopefully, fingers crossed, the new occupants settle in. Yeah, so now we got to find a tree. So I need rope, screwdriver, screws, bit of wood. I'll just go and get that.
Why haven't I got the camera?
It's going so well as well. Oh,
So well. It's a shame that bit wasn't on camera.
We're going to have to get you cleaned up, aren't we, baby? Because you is stinky. Look at the state of you. He's a good kid. I'm just going to have a quick wash, alright? I got to put everything away first anyway. Alright? Alright, little girl. Come on. Come on. You got to be clean, don't you? Come on. Good girl. Come here. There you go. Wait. No, okay. Okay. Okay, stay there. Oh my goodness. That was good timing. Whew. It is absolutely busted down now. Ugh. Oh, dear. I don't think I've been this dirty for a long time. Fell over twice. Thankfully, the camera's pointing the other way. So everything I'm wearing has got to be washed. First, better do our little girl, haven't we? Hey, Bean. He's been a good girl. Right, gang, so it's the next day. Battery ran out after we'd just got the box up. And then we got back, swapped the battery out. I remembered to film cleaning Looney, but I didn't remember to go back and show you the box. So this morning we are going to go back and have a look and see if we can see any activity. It's a very mean and moody morning out there. Shell and Luna have just gone for a run. So I thought, well, I haven't got Looney, because cleaning her after going across those fields was emotional. I'm going to have a coffee, wake up, and then we'll go have a look at the barn owl box. So the good news is, it's still up. To show you the final result of all that work. So that's it for this week, guys. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. I know it's not, it's probably not the narrowboat content you were expecting, but I think it's important to stress that living on a narrowboat, one of the wonderful things about being on a narrowboat is being surrounded by nature, probably 90% of the time. Even in urban areas, the canals obviously attract a lot of wildlife. Obviously, we'll keep you updated if we do get any chicks and things. I know that if we do, we will need to ring the owlets, so I'll definitely film that as an update if that happens. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Be interested to know what you think in the comments. If you'd like any further information on barn owls specifically, then there is the Barn Owl Trust. I'll put the website here, which is an amazing resource, free mainly resource. So yeah, check that out. And I'll say goodbye from a very mean and moody Cheshire countryside. Until next week, guys, take care of yourself, love yourself, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Yeah, so next week we'll be mainly getting back into the studio, hopefully. So I'll give you an update on everything next week.